Multiply 59,000 by 12 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 2. 2 times 0 is 0. The next two digits are also 0, so those columns are 0 too. 2 times 9 is 18. Put 8 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 5 plus the carried 1 is 11. The first partial product is 118,000. Now use the tens digit, 1. Start one place to the left. 1 times 0 is 0. The next two digits are also 0, so those columns are 0 too. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 5 is 5. The second partial product is 590,000. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones, tens, and hundreds columns each add to 0. Move right to left, one column at a time. In the thousands column, a plus 0 is 8. In the 10 negative thousands column, 1 plus 9 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. In the 100 negative thousands column, 1 plus 5 plus the carried 1 is 7. The whole negative number product is 708,000. So 59,000 times 12 is 708,000.